Okay, station 3, what you're going to do is you're going to read this. Halfway through the season, Brett's team has played 10 games and they won 7 of them. So based on their current record, what is the probability they will win their next game? We're going to express our answer in the form of a decimal. Well, they won 7 out of 10. So we're going to go ahead and divide 7 divided by 10, which would be 0.7. That's my form of a decimal. That's all I need. Based on their current record, what is the probability they will win their next game? Oh, I just read that one. Let's read number 9. Sorry. What is the probability they will lose their next game? So if I win 7 out of 10, that means I've lost 3 out of 10. And my form of a decimal, 3 divided by 10 is 0.3. And then I'm going to go on to number 10. Based upon their performance so far, if Brett's team plays 22 games this season, how many should they expect to win? So this is where I'm going to make a proportion. I have won 7 out of 10 games so far. That's going to equal X over 22 because I'm looking for games that I'll win. So I'm going to cross multiply and divide. I'm going to show you what that will look like. 7 times 22, that's my cross multiply, my top number times my bottom number. Then I'm going to take that and divide it by 10. That will be your answer on how many games they won or they should win. I'm not going to put that answer for you. I want you to figure that out and write that answer. Okay, so 11, 12, and 13, we're going to base our information off of this criteria right here. So Brent is the quarterback and is doing a great job. Good job, Brent. He has thrown the ball 40 times so far this game and has completed passes or completed 32 of those passes. So based on his performance so far, what's the probability he will not complete his next pass? So if he's completed 32, how many did he not complete? Well, 40 minus 32 gives us 8. So 8 out of 40 he did not complete. I need to do a form of a decimal, so I'm going to 8 divided by 40 is going to give me my decimal, and I would put that in there. So what percent of his passes have been completed? Well, 32 out of 40 were completed, but I'm going to go ahead and put that in the form of a percent. So I need to change it into a decimal first. So I'll take my calculator out because I don't know how to do this in my head. 32 divided by 40 equals 0.8. Then I need to change that into a percent because they want a percent. I'll go ahead and let you figure that one out because you're going to move that decimal over to the right 2 spots. Based on his performance so far, if Brett throws a total of 120 passes per game, how many is he expected to complete? Well, we have 32 over 40 completed passes. We're going to go ahead and do our proportion. We're not sure how many he's going to complete over 120, but we're going to do our cross multiplication and division. 32 times 120. So 32 times 120. I'm going to take that answer and divide it by 40, and that will give me the answer of how many passes we expect him to complete during a game where he passes it 120 times. This is how you're going to be filling out Station 3.